It's Vlogmas Day 16. Let's go house hunting. Well, sort of.
Do whatever you do with your girls, laugh, hee hee, ha ha.
Oh, and look at the door. Oh, see. I like how they got the stairs. Yep. Oh, you took the words right out of my mouth. Hi. Stop putting your face up with stuff. Yeah. So this is another one. But I do like the planners. I like to look at this type of stuff when I for my house.
It's new to Houston. It's pretty prominent in Dallas, but this is a fairly new concept to Houston.
Got it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is cute. This your first house. You dipping it and doing it. That's different. Okay.
But it is a new concept out here because this is definitely not.
No, it's not because it's on the north side. My granny and them, how they grew up in them alleyways or whatever. This is adorable. Oh, and that's where the garage will be. And this is, oh look, it's cute. Oh, and then you park in the back. Oh, I see. At least, ooh, a generator. Okay. Then you got the, okay. Is that the pantry? Oh, it's small with big finishes. That makes sense. Oh, this is cute. Oh, very nice. I like how they do this right here. I like that. Hi. This feel little. Oh, this feel little too. Oh, this a real room.
That's one thing I hate about these newer.
That's nice. Oh, this is nice. Open concept. Oh, look at this. It's still the same size. I do love this sink though. I love this sink. Oh, here we go. I like these chairs. I like the upgraded, this right here. That's nice. This is a big patio. This is nice. I like this. You think I could do this in my house? Oh, that's different. That's nice. Show y'all the outside so y'all can see. You can put stuff on them.
It should have come with them. The wind.
Yeah, this looks just like hers. Kitchen. But I do like these colors. And I like this counter.
I like this. Buying land and then building it.
Agreed. See, I want to do the compound thing. Even look at the gates. See, I forgot to start filming. This is cute and teeny tall. I like this. This is cute. Oh, that's so cute. And I love these chairs. I've seen these chairs online. I like this. I like this too. I like that a lot.
It's still there too.
Oh, did you take a picture of the menu? See, this is what, see, I like this. I like this. My couch wouldn't fit in here. Where is the pantry? That's cute. This is tiny, not single family. This is a single girl, single person. I'm dipping it and doing it.